Welcome back to the set, everybody. My name is CJ. This is CJ's first cooking show. Right behind this camera is Nate. Right over there is Ethan. You will get to know all three of us very well in this episode. Well, in any episode, really, because
we are the Three Amigos.
Today, guys, I'm going to show you a fun one, a quick one, a lunch or a dinner, perhaps. I call it the Steakhouse Wrap. It's kind of lackluster, wasn't it?
A little
flat
maybe you
on the
should
name.
do a Steakhouse Wrap.
In West Philadelphia, born and raised on the playground is where I spent most of my days making up. I don't know. I'm gonna ring it.
Okay.
Yeah, that was just getting too long. We apologize.
I don't.
Should.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's first show.
I do believe I hear God's playing some bowling. He's playing. You got a strike up there in heaven. Hey guys, we're gonna get started. For our steak, I guess we're gonna just wait to decide what the name of this is. But for the moment, a steakhouse wrap is just that's gonna be what we're gonna call this one. Now, you don't have to go this full route. If you like onions, you could just chop up some onions and put them in there. But I really love caramelized onions. You know what I'm talking about, right?
I know what you're talking about.
No?
No, I know what you're talking about because I taught you that.
No, you didn't.
You develop the flavors of the onion as it progresses through the slow caramelization process, bringing out richness, sweetness, much more savory flavor, but it's mostly in contrast to the sweetness that has been developed.
He's good.
He's good.
Anyway, so we're gonna slice up these onions, and I'm gonna leave them just like that. I'm not gonna necessarily cut them up because they're gonna be so soft and pliable in a minute. It doesn't really matter how you chop them up. So, right behind me, I've got my 36-inch Blackstone preheated on low. Now, I am gonna do low and slow on this one. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil down, take those onions right into that olive oil, add a bit of salt and pepper, and then I'm gonna do a little drizzle of this balsamic glaze and toss that around and watch the magic happen. See? The big guy knows what I'm talking about, am I right?
Thunder rolls as the onions caramelize.
It was a reach, but it'll do. Survey says... Now, while our onions are cruising right behind us, it's time to get on to, I would say, the star of the show. We also have a special sauce that's also going to be very star-ish. But right behind me...
Terrific. They smell terrific.
You smell terrific.
I cranked this up to high heat because we're now going to be searing some shaved ribeye. This is going, I think, an important factor with this, crank it to high. Get it set to stun.
Definitely.
Because you want to get that crispy Maillard reaction. You want to see those pieces that are, like, crispy on the edge. If you did it slow, it'll cook eventually.
It'll boil, actually.
And it just won't be as good.
Fast
You'll lose.
and furious.
Yes, I like that.
Go full Dom.
We're gonna do a little bit of olive oil down. Can you see that, dude? It is getting dark out here.
It is. It's getting breezy, though. That was nice.
That was a nice little departure. Chop this up a little bit.
There we go.
Get this kind of cruising. Dude, that thunder.
Can you hear it? I wonder if you can hear it on camera.
Yeah, they might just be hearing the sear, but it was out there. I'm gonna season this because it is called a steakhouse wrap.
Dang, it's getting dark, bud. How long? This is a quick cook, right?
Yeah.
We'll see.
We'll see. Little Worcestershire. We're already starting to see some of that Maillard reaction. That's what we want. You know what? While you guys are there, stay there. I'm gonna do one more subtle glaze with our balsamic.
You gotta be careful with that. There's some sugar.
And it can burn, but I have been light. We're doing this in layers, my friend. Okay, let's go make our special sauce. Because I'm getting a little worried about this weather.
It's creeping.
It's raining.
No, go.
Here we go.
Red team, go.
Red team, go. Red team, go.
For our sauce, we're gonna start with a base of some Sweet Baby Ray's honey mustard. Now,
ooh, I feel it.
Do you feel the rain?
Less talking, more cooking.
More cooking. That was
enough with the shenanigan.
Okay, here we go. So we've got our honey mustard. Then we're going to do. Oh, I did it again.
Golly.
See,
prepared much?
Oh, there we go. So we got some El Duce.
I need Il Duce.
1 dollop of
love
that.
that one.
Then we're gonna add some more of the Worcestershire.
Dang.
And we are not done yet. I learned a little something from a guy who's become a friend of mine, Mr. Norman Van Aken. You know, I could have just used that to be my savory element, but I'm gonna use another savory element.
Oh.
Soy sauce. They complement each other. You can use multiple kinds of sweets, multiple kinds of heats, because they all have a different thing.
Learning
So,
stuff.
we've got a little bit of soy sauce, and I am gonna
That's an
do,
easy sauce.
yeah, dude, a little bit of the Steakhouse.
Boom.
All right, now let's give this a mix.
Dude, it's coming.
I know, I'm sorry.
I feel it.
So we should be getting a little bit of the sweet element from the honey mustard, as well as all the savory. This is definitely an umami flavor bomb. But I think steak bodes itself well to handle that kind of flavor, don't you?
Totally.
You don't want to have a sauce that's gonna, you know, not complement your steak and like kind of melancholy, if you will. Come on! Let's try that again. Oh, you want a sauce that's going to complement your steak, not leaving it feeling melancholy.
Hey CJ, did you know that the smashing in the Smashing Pumpkins is actually an adjective and not a verb? Bass player Darcy Rescue mentioned in a book that it's not like they're smashing pumpkins or anything, and Corrigan likes to add that he liked that the word smashing was aggressive as well as wonderful.
I liked it when it was smashing. Kind of reminds me of the old comedy from like the early 90s. What's that, dude?
I was thinking more like it's an English gentleman. These pumpkins are
Smashing! Speaking of smashing, we're gonna smash.
up. All the way up, sir.
That's a good one.
Except it's all the way down.
All the way down, sir.
You need to try it. You can't make a sauce because I've actually never had this sauce before. It
Oh,
just sounded
beautiful.
good to me.
It
So
looks good. It's got all the right stuff.
the right stuff. What's in the middle? The white stuff.
I went with you. I didn't know that's where you're going. I went.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh.
Okay. Let's start getting ready to build, shall we? Now, if you're gonna make a steakhouse wrap, you gotta have a wrap, bro. Let's not go back to the. I know you're thinking in your
I
head.
was trying
You're trying to figure out.
Did you see my face?
I just felt
Sorry,
it.
sorry.
I just felt it. All right, so we've got. Let's go ahead and just throw one wrap.
So you don't want the smalls. You want the biggie.
You need something that you can build.
Biggie smalls. That's what was in my head. I like it when you call me Big Rapper.
Okay. Wave your hands in the air if you're a true cooker.
No.
That was a massive flop. Substitute teacher,
Mong tongue,
prison barber,
mother lover.
you lewd, rude, crude, baggery, chewed food dude, Bangarang Peter! We're gonna bring it one more time and just keep on gambling with this weather. Cheers.
You got to know when to hold 'em. Know when to fold 'em.
No, fold them?
When to
Know
walk
when
away.
to wrap it. When the steak is done.
Okay. Okay.
All right, let's go over here now. I don't wanna overfill. I mean, this is a large wrap, but we've got a lot of ingredients to work with here. So, you stay right there. I'm gonna grab some onions.
Okay.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah,
these
dude.
look so incredible. All right,
That's a decent amount of onions.
yeah,
I dig that.
Yeah. All right, so, but dude, they're so like caramelized and
Sweet.
soft and sweet. This is going to accompany our steak
Dang.
beautifully. All right, now I've got some sliced provolone. Actually, at the grocery store today, we could not find like a block of provolone cheese. So, whoa, get out of here, shoe fly.
Don't bother me.
I'm going to do two things with this cheese. Number one, obviously we gotta add some cheese in there because that is delicious. But the second thing is, this is gonna be my glue. So when it comes time to wrap, that's actually gonna seal the deal for me. We're gonna do a light drizzle of this sauce. You don't wanna go too heavy with it because we're gonna also use it as a dipper as well.
Dang.
And I've got some pickled red bell peppers here. This acidity from the vinegar in this is gonna do really well with that sauce.
Nice. Arugula?
Some arugula. All right, now you're gonna tuck the sides, and then you flip and the pull to kind of tuck everything in there really, really well.
Tuck and roll.
Tuck and roll. Tuck and roll. And then there's our cheese, just like
and then,
that.
Okay.
See, that's my exterior glue. That's what's gonna hold everything together. Now, we'll let that sit. That is gonna take care of itself.
Cheese fold side down.
There you go. You know what, dude, let's build another one. Let's make this one a little heftier. Obviously, just follow the same steps as we did last time. Now, if you guys don't like one or two of these ingredients, don't put them in there. Double up on something else.
Yeah.
Something else.
Something.
But the important thing is that we use that cheese to be our glue to hold all of this together. It really is that simple. Cook 2 or 3, 5, 10. Honestly, you can get a lot done with the ingredients that you have here, and it doesn't take a lot of time. Bingo, bango. We've got bongo?
Coco Bongo.
The Coco Bongo Club.
Hey!
All right. Should put your heart in a blender and hit frappe. A couple things to note as we continue on with the episode. Number one, it is most certainly raining outside.
Yep,
it is definitely happening, but we're powering through.
Definitely raining.
We're like Power Man 5000 up in here.
Definitely Rain Man.
Whoa.
Who's on first, what's on second?
And then also another thing to note is we've been we've been rotating a couple times during the break, getting that exterior crispy crust. You didn't have to do this, but I like it. This melts the cheese, number one, but then we get the texture.
Nice even toast.
Yes. Now, another thing to notice when
It's
doing
not
this.
a wrap any longer.
Well, it's still wrapped. That is a good crispy exterior.
Yeah, good and crispy.
Why are you gonna say it like that,
I
guy?
don't know.
Why did you say that? Why?
Now, I prefer a nice on the bias. Oh, come on. Dude, the steam is coming out of those bad boys. You got that provolone that's melted in there. You got the sauce, the peppers.
Heck yeah.
Okay.
It's raining on my back. Ethan, quick.
All right, we're gonna throw these guys here.
I feel like I'm at like a really
gotta-
high-end Applebee's.
A what?
A high-end Applebee's.
So at Chili's?
No. Come on.
Is that accurate?
That's kind of accurate, but still. It's a steakhouse wrap. We've got to post dust
Oh, it's a must.
with some steakhouse because post dusting adds that little punch of flavor. Plus,
It's super raining.
it's beautiful.
On the sauce?
On the sauce. There she
Jeez.
goes. What do you think about that?
You jerk.
Sorry, guy. Shall we
I don't know.
continue with the joke?
I guess.
All right, dude. I am gonna get into this rock star.
That's pretty awesome.
I feel like we've achieved greatness. Crispy exterior, caramelized interior with sauce. Oh, money.
Money.
Okay, I did it. You guys will love this one, especially if you like steak at all. That sauce is money. You're
Oh, yeah,
welcome
really good.
for creating that one. Leave it in the comments below. What do you think? Is this still a wrap?
Could be.
Or does it constitute as like a burrito? But
Close.
burritos are soft
This is
sometimes.
closer to a burrito for me.
Either way, we're gonna call it the steakhouse wrap. Leave it in the comments below. Speaking of comments, it's that time, my friends. CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
It feels weird being over here for comments of the week, but the lighting is beautiful.
Well, it's nice lighting and it's not raining, which is great, but
Wait. Oh, it's so far away and in the rain.
we can't do this without the bell.
Well, we.
E,
No.
take one for the team.
For the team, Marshall, for the team.
It's all right, buddy.
You got a responsibility. You don't
You gotta
just give
think.
up filming after 1 hour.
You got a responsibility.
Got a
You get
bell.
over there and you ring that freaking bell. By screenshot comments from you, the viewers. If you write it.
We read it.
This is how the game is played. It's a lot of fun. It's a little spicy
Fun for
sometimes,
us.
but today it's a little damp. So here we go.
Not in here, but I mean, some people.
No!
That wasn't the signal.
He only knows the Navy SEAL signals.
Doing the Navy SEAL signals, come on. I only know the Air Force signals.
Okay, here we go. Starting from the top, this comes from Christopher Malthus.
Hey, Christopher.
Says, if I lived my life through movie quotes, I would believe I was a celebrity too. Now that's funny. I don't care who you are. Gonna have to try this one for sure. All right, Christopher.
Wait, he thinks we think
That we're celebrities.
that.
Nah,
I
dude.
think he thinks we're celebrities and thinks that we also think that we agree with his thoughts.
You were thinking, wouldn't have thought that.
Either way, we gotta ring it because
Yeah.
Ethan's over there.
We'll ring it! Okay.
Here we go.
It sounds kind of weak from that far away.
You're gonna need to do it louder next time. Really? Yeah. Comment number 2.
Totally getting so wet up in there.
This comes from Rob Wilkie.
Hey, Rob.
I'm
like
gonna
Rob.
just put this one up because he did a very clever. He wrote his comment backwards.
Oh.
Okay, so here's interpretation. Rob says, that soup looks pretty amazing. And the queso dippers are a great ad. Good job, dude.
Wow, that's fun.
It's fun.
Your brain works.
It's great. I like you, Rob. I appreciate your comments, but it's time to ring it!
Oh, jeez.
Wow. Don't be so aggressive!
You told me to ring it harder!
Old Mike Geller says, I wish these videos were half the amount of time and he doesn't have all the side conversations with his cameraman. Otherwise, very interesting. Mike.
That's not what your sister thinks. Sarah Michelle.
Geller. We'll ring it!
It's Buffy the Vampire Slayer.
Give it up to Buffy.
Buffy.
This next one comes in from T-Bone.
T-Bone.
T-Bone says, been watching for a long time.
Okay, good start.
I have to say, one of your worst shows.
Not a good ending.
A 9-year-old could make that.
What 9-year-old? This one.
This guy. He was making reference to my pulled pork or the pulled brisket
Do you have
sandwich.
something against 9-year-olds making deliciousness?
It was a simple one. There was some unplanned moments. It wasn't that great. Why do you gotta keep bringing it up, T-Bone? All right, we'll ring it. Because I wouldn't normally, but attaboy! I just can't help but make him ring.
We're back up.
All right, E, we're done.
Good job,
Figured
buddy.
you should be here for the ending. You're a little damp there, guy.
Let's do one more.
Okay,
Can we do
one more.
Sorry,
just
bud,
one more. One more.
He didn't flinch.
No,
He just earned his job back.
Yeah, he did.
How long do we make him stand up?
So I don't actually have a comment.
Yeah. How long should we make him sit out?
Should we just make him stay out there? Really?
I don't know.
Pretending like some elaborate thing is happening and
I'm
I'm
gonna
using
keep the
my
camera
phone,
rolling.
reading it?
I'll keep the camera rolling. Use like a speed ramp, and we'll show how long we've been sitting here.
That's perfect. Here we
Just
go.
Don't give him any. I'm gonna focus on him.
Go for it. We finished the comments last like 5 minutes ago.
Why am I over here?
I don't know, dude.
Okay.
That, ladies and gentlemen, is how you wrap up an episode of CJ's first cooking show, In the Rain Modified. Thanks so much for hanging out with us. You guys got to try this one. It is crispy. It is delicious.
Good job,
It is
buddy.
full of flavor. It is fun. Guys, definitely be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com for this recipe and a ton of others. Be sure to check out Todd's show, Betty's show, Nate's show, Destination Delicious, On the Bayou with Bruce. We've got some more fun content coming your way here pretty
Good
soon.
stuff coming soon.
Go to griddlenation.com to get some swag, some stickers, some fun stuff. But in the meantime, this is CJ's first cooking show, where in the rain we cook.
And we quote.
Huh. No bell.
You said I was done!
I said the quotes were done. Comments were done. There we go. Now we're
Now
done.
it's over.
See you guys later. Good job, dude.
Yep.
Kinda.
You quit?
Yep.
Okay. I understand.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's first